In this question, I'm going to continue solving practice question for completing the square. So solve the following equation. So remember, the completing square, the coefficient of x squared need to be 1. So first, let us rearrange it. So by take it 2, so it's going to be x squared minus 3 over 2x. Then we minus by 2 equal to 0. So we can proceed. So A, we got 2 bracket x squared minus 3 over 2x, we minus by 2 and equal to 0. So let us completing square here inside the bracket. So 2 is gonna be x, make it a half of coefficient of x, which is 3 over 2. We multiply it by 1 over 2, so it should be minus by 3 over 4. Then we make it square. So what is the number that we don't want? So we can expand it here. X minus 3 over 4 square is going to be x squared minus 3 over 2x plus by 9 over 16. We don't want this 9 over 16, so we need to minus it by 9 over 16. Then we minus by 2. So let us expand it, these two. So we got 2 times bracket x minus 3 over 4 square. We minus by, we got 2 times 9 over 16. So it's going to be 9 over 8. 9 over 8. And we minus by 2 equal to 0. To continue 2, then x minus 3 over 4 square minus 9 over 8. So here also let us make it a fraction over 8. So multiply it by 8. So 16 over 8 equal to 0. So 2 times x minus 3 over 4 square minus by 9 minus 16, which is 25 over 8 equal to 0. Okay, we can rearrange. So we will plus by 25 over 8 both of sides. It's gonna be 2, we multiply it by x minus 3 over 4 square equal to 25 over 8. See, this is, there is 2 here, so we can divide by 2 both of sides here, so we divide by 2. So we will get x minus 3 over 4 square equal to 25 over 16. Get rid of the square, so we make it square root. So this is x minus 3 over 4 equal to plus minus 5 over square root of 16, which is 4. Okay, we got it. Okay, here we got minus left side, so we just plus 3 over 4. Both of sides we do the same thing, 3 over 4. So we got x equal to 3 over 4 plus minus 5 over 4. So the x1, we will use the plus sign. So 3 over 4 plus by 5 over 4, which is 8 over 4, or equal to x2, we will use the negative sign. So 3 over 4, we minus 5 over 4. So this is gonna be minus 2 over 4, or this we can write as minus 0.5 as the x2. Okay, let's continue for number 2. Before, let us expand it. X times x gonna be x squared. X times minus 4 is gonna be minus 4x equal to minus 3. We don't know minus 3 here, so we plus by 3 both of sides. So the equation we will got x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Let's proceed here. So B, we got x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. X is negative, so we will write negative. Make it a half of the coefficient of x. 4, we divide by 2 equal to n square. We can expand it here. X minus 2 square equal to x square minus 4 plus by 4. 4x plus by 4. We don't want this plus 4, so we can minus by 4, and then we got plus 3 equal to 0. So you got x minus 2 square equal to minus 4 plus 1 is minus 1 equal to 0. So we don't want minus 1 on the left side. We can plus by 1 both of sides. So x minus 2 square equal to 1. Get rid of the square number, so we make it square root. So x minus 2 equal to plus minus 1. So get rid of minus 2 left side, so we plus by 2. So x equal to 2 plus minus 1. So x1, we got it 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then x2 equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. We got two answer. Next, let us proceed to C. We have to expand it. So first we'll write 3x squared equal to 2 times 3x is 6x. Then 2 times 2 is 4. We don't want here 6x and plus 4 on the right side, so we can minus by 6x and minus again by 4. Do the same thing to the left side, so we minus 6x and minus by 4. So we got it, the new equation 3x squared minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, that will be our equation. So the equation is 3x squared minus 6x and minus 4 equal to 0. Let us factorize it to make it this coefficient of x squared equal to 1. So 3x squared minus here's 2x and we minus by 4 equal to 0. Let us completing square inside the bracket. So here keep it. So x, make it a half, is 1 square. What is the number that we don't want? So we can expand it, x minus 1 square to x squared minus 2x plus by 1. We don't want plus 1, so we minus by 1. Minus by 4 at the end. We can expand it. It's gonna be 3 multiplied by x minus 1 squared minus by 3 times 1, which is 3. And we will minus by 4 at the end later. So 3x minus 1 squared and minus by 7 equal to 0. Let's plus by 7 both of sides to get rid from the left side. So you got 3x minus 1 squared equal to 7. Get rid of 3, we divide by 3 both of sides. So it's gonna be x minus 1 squared equal to 7 over 3. Get rid of the square, we make it square root both of sides. So x minus 1 equal to plus minus square root of 7 over 3. So get rid of 1, we make it plus 1 both of sides. So we got it x equal to x1 1, we use plus sign, plus by square root of 7 over 3. Then x2 is going to be 1, you use negative sign, equal to 7 over 3. You can use a calculator to give into 2 decimal place. So x1 we'll get it as 2.53, and x2 or the another x is going to be minus 0.53. You may use a calculator. See. Next, we get here x. To get rid of this over x, so we multiply it by x both of sides. So we'll get it 2x squared minus 5x equal to 3. Get rid of 3, so we minus by 3 both of sides, so it's gonna be 2x squared minus 5x and minus by 3 equal to 0. This for the equation of D. So we got 2x squared minus 5x and minus by 3 equal to 0. Remember, the coefficient of x squared need to be 1, so we'll factorize it. Take it to here, so bracket is going to be x squared minus by 5 over 2x minus 3, and we equal to 0. As factorize it inside the bracket, so it's going to be x minus 5 over 4, because we make it a half. We'll close, make it bracket. So what is the number that we don't want? So we can expand it here, x minus 5 over 4 squared is equal to x squared minus 5 over 2x plus by 25 over 16. This number that we don't want, so we will minus here we'll minus by 25 over 16, close it, then we minus by 3. We will expand it, so it's 2 times x minus 5 over 4 square minus by here to 25 over 8, then we minus by 3 is equal to 0. So let's continue. 2x minus 5 over 4 square minus by 25 over 8 minus by this, we have to make it over 8 again. So 3 times 8 is going to be 24 equal to 0. So continue. 2 times x minus 5 over 4 square minus by 49 over 8 equal to 0. So to get rid from this constanta, we plus by 49 over 8 both of sides. So we got 2 times x minus 5 over 4 square equal to 49 over 8. Get it up times 2 here, so we divide by 2 both of sides. It's gonna be x minus 5 over 4 square equal to 49 over 16. Get it of the square number, so we make it square root, so x minus 5 over 4 equal to plus minus 7 over 4. Okay, get rid of this negative number, so we plus by 5 over 4 both of sides. So we got x1, we'll use the positive sign, so 7 over 4 we plus by 5 over 4 is equal to 12 over 4 or 3. x2 we will use negative sign, so negative 7 over 4 plus by 5 over 4 is going to be minus 2 over 4, or we can write as minus 0.5. Next, e. So for e we have to expand it, so x times x is going to be x squared, x times minus 7 is minus 7x, 1 times x is plus x, 1 times minus 7 is minus 7, here equal to 4. So to get it up here minus 4, so we minus by 4 both of sides. So we got the new equation x squared, this is the like term, so minus 6x, then we minus by 13 equal to 0. So we'll write it d for e, x squared minus 6x and then minus by 13 equal to 0. So completing square, make it bracket x, make it a half of minus 6 is minus 3 square. So what's the extra number that we don't want? So x minus 3 square is going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9. We don't want this plus 9, so we will minus by 9 and minus by 13 equal to 0. So we got here x minus 3 square, so minus 9, here we will minus it by 13, so minus 9 minus 9, we minus again by 13 is gonna be minus 22 equal to 0. Get rid of this minus 22, we plus by 22 both of sides, so we got x minus 3 square equal to 22. Get rid of the square number, so we make it square root, so x minus 3 equal to plus minus square root of 22. Get rid of this 3, so we plus by 3 both of sides, so we got x equal to 3 plus minus square root of 22. So first x we will use positive sign, so 3 plus square root of 22. Second x we will use 3 minus square root of 22. You can use a calculator to get the two decimal place. So the first one we will have 7.47, and then for x2 we will got negative 1.47. Okay, last question. Okay, can rearrange it here, minus 8, get rid. So we got 2x squared plus x minus 8 equal to 0. This 4 Last question M. So 2x squared plus x and then minus 8 equal to 0. Let's check it, the question. Yeah, there it is. Remember, the coefficient of x squared need to be 1, so we'll factorize it, take it to, so x squared plus 1 over 2x we minus by 8 equal to 0. So let's continue the completing square. So this is x, make it a half of 1 over 2, so 1 over 4 square. So what's the extra number that we don't want? So we can write x minus 1 over 4, we expand it, so x squared. Nice, has to be plus x squared plus 1 over 2x and then plus by 1 over 16. There it is, 1 over 16 that we don't want, so we'll minus by 1 over 16 close and minus by 8 equal to 0. So we'll expand it. It's gonna be 2 times x plus 1 over 4 squared minus by 2 over 16, or we can simply divide it equal to 1 over 8. We minus by 8 equal to 0. So continue to x plus 1 over 4 squared. It's gonna be minus 1 over 8. We minus again to 64 over 8 equal to 0. Because 64, if we divide by 8, is going to equal to 8. So let's continue x plus 1 over 4 squared. So it's going to be minus 64 over 8 equal to 0. We don't know this constant here, so we plus by 64 over 8 both of sides. No, 64 has to be 65 over 8. So continue to x plus 1 over 4 equal to 65 over 8. So here we will divide by 2 both of sides. So we got x plus 1 over 4 square equal to 65 over 16. Get rid of the square number, so we make it square root. So it's gonna be x plus 1 over 4 equal to plus minus square root of 65 over 4. Okay, so since this is plus, we will minus it 1 over 4 both of sides to make it only x. So x is gonna be plus minus square root of 65 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So the first x will have is plus sign, so square root of 65 over 4 minus by 1 over 4. And then the x2 will use negative sign, negative square root of 6 over 5. 65 over 4, and we minus by 1 over 4. So you can use a calculator. So the first x, we will get it is 1.77, and the second one, we will got it as minus 2.27. Okay, there it is. Thank you.